G'day, Scruff here, thanks for dropping by. Hope you brought a couple of mates with you. Excuse me being out of breath. I just spent half an hour jogging. I've been jogging my memory, trying to work out how to drive this video camera. But anyway, we'll push on regardless. Now, today I'm just going to run a short little video about my secret salt and pepper mix that I use on my tucker at work. I've been doing it for about 5 years. Some of my work colleagues have been using it. You know, I say work colleagues loosely because I work with some unusual critters. We've got WASPs, work avoidance scheme professionals. They're the ones that stand under the shade on their phones while you're doing all the hard work. We got fibros. They're the ones that crack under pressure. We got two-strokes. They're the ones that are hard to start and they smoke most of the day. Anyway, we'll push on. They've been putting pressure on me to release the secret ingredients. So today's the day. We'll move on, eh? There's only 3 ingredients in this. White salt, lemon pepper and black pepper. Now, 2 white salt, 2 lemon pepper and 1 black pepper. So there it is, secret out. So without any further ado, we'll push on and we'll mix up a bit, eh? Now, we need exact amounts. You might be one of those people that like everything exact. Don't pour it all over the bench, mate, eh? The cleaner won't like it. Guess who the cleaner is? Now, apparently I've got a little bit of that OCD, so that helps me. Need to get it perfectly right, exact amounts. Not going too good at the moment here. Shaking a little bit from the jogging. 1 white salt. Spill a bit more, why don't you? 2 white salts. On that there. Now we go the lemon pepper. Now, sometimes this gets a bit thick, so you use a sharp knife. It'll get into the corners of the bottom of the jar. Just stir it up a little bit, make it a lot easier. We need 2 of these. Stir it up a bit. Get it level, mate, eh? 1 lemon pepper. 2 exact lemon peppers. Black pepper, 1 only. Today'd be good, eh? Exactly. Nice and flat. A little bit more. Spill a bit, why don't you? 1 black pepper. There we have it. Secret's out. Now, this is the important bit, of course. We need to get the ingredients thoroughly mixed. Now, you can do this. If you don't thoroughly mix it, obviously, you're going to end up with more white salt dumping on your meal or more black pepper than you'd like. So we mix it thoroughly. You might have a different way of doing it. This is one way. Takes a little bit of time. I've tried a few different ways. Put her in here. What do we got here? Good old egg beater. That takes us back a while, doesn't it? Stir her up. Got to get right into the edges with it. That seems to work okay. But this one here seems to work better. Not too fast, because you'll spill it everywhere. Beautiful job. Now you won't find one of these in the hardware shop. You'll find it in my shed. Beautiful job, look at that. Not too fast. Stir up, thoroughly stir or mix. Simply, a little bit of bamboo stick, a few cable ties or zip ties, cut them off about 25mm long, good to go. Tell your mates. Somebody will probably invent the idea. It's not the first time that I've been robbed with an invention. Beautiful, look at that. Thoroughly mixed. Just make sure there. Now, get a jar that's unmarked because you don't want people making a mistake when they put it on their tucker thinking it's something else. Little funnel there. Pour in there. I won't overdo it. Give her a bit of a shake. Beautiful stuff. There you have it. Now the trick is with this, two things to remember. Thoroughly mix the mixture, otherwise you'll dump big clumps of it on your food. And the other thing is, you must have a thoroughly dried jar or bottle. Now I use these with the big holes in it because this stuff tends to get a little bit, this stuff here, tends to get a little bit thick. So have the bigger holes for dispensing it. And you must have it absolutely dry. What I do is obviously wash it out, clean it out, and then I get the hairdryer, bung a bit of hot air into it, and thoroughly dry it, and then you're good to go. Hairdryer, it's one I used back when my locks were a little bit longer and golden, way back now. Alright, so that always works, and we're good to go. Now, I've got a meal here somewhere. Here we go. One I prepared earlier, not more than a few days ago. So, be careful. Big holes. Put it on very sparingly. Otherwise, the cardio specialist will be all over you and it'll spoil the taste of it. So just gently put it on like that. Beautiful. There's the feed. That's the secret mixture. Good to go. Thank you. Until we meet again, hook onto the old Google machine and the audio and the books there and spread the word, eh? And in the meantime, just keep it real and tell it how it is, eh? Thank you.